And we assume this is the reason that we basically have had no power all night. This is right down the road. We basically live right up there. And this was the big one that they were actually out here working on it, but I guess they decided that nothing's broke, they'll cut it later or something, who knows.
Ask Alexa something.
Alexa, turn the power on.
I'm sorry, I cannot help you with that problem.
That's all I got. Oh, day 2, no power, no internet.
28 hours, 16 minutes.
But the generator's running, the basement's mostly dry. And yes, I could, in theory, hook up a computer or a TV. Ooh.
No, we don't want to blow up the TV with the generator.
Yeah, our generator's voltage is high. In fact, if you plug in a UPS to it, it doesn't even work because it says the voltage is too high. But things like a sump pump, I'm not worried about burning up. So
We've had the generator for 21 years.
true.
And this is the first time we've actually had to use it.
Yes.
She's been very good to us, that Murphy.
Yep. The last big ice storm, I bought a generator. And the power has not gone out for us since in 21 years.
It has, but
Yeah, little short things. Never. We needed to keep the food frozen. Oh man, the house is a wreck.
Oh, guess what our gas fireplace is saying to all those with electric fireplaces?
Yeah, it's like, why do they even sell electric fireplaces? It's like, if you don't want a fireplace, just get in the freaking electric heater. If you want something that looks like a fireplace, get a fireplace. Because guess what? We're warm.
It is 69 degrees, which is actually warmer.
Even with that crack in the back door so the drop cord can go through it.
You should tape that up.
Yeah, well, I figure I'm probably not going to let it run that much, let it drain out, let the freezer get back down to freezing. Then I'll probably put the cord back outside and shut the door again.
And then maybe we can leave the house for civilization for like 2 hours.
I wouldn't go that far. Because once the rain hits, I need to be here for...
I know, sump pumpage.
Yes. I mean, maybe if we went somewhere close, like, but not anything far, far away, probably.
Well, the good news is that you've got the weather app on your truck.
I mean, it is Valentine's Day. Things are probably going to be cray-cray. Hey, hey, it's getting cray-cray. It's getting cray. Hey, hey, I'm going crazy.
I came up with a poem. Would you like to hear?
No.
I can pull out my laptop.
There once was a man from Nantucket.
Let's see.
In fact, apparently, according to the wife, that's a real poem, and the words that I have aren't the real words.
Okay. Because you're bored. So what you may not know about me is that when I was in college, actually high school and college, I wrote poetry.
I don't think I knew that.
I was in a poetry class when we started dating.
We dated?
Yes.
Wait, who are you?
Your wife.
Wait, this is all that thing that Becky Winchester did to Sam?
Okay.
What was Becky's real name?
Becky Winchester. Wait, is Sam Liquor?
No, what was Becky's real last name?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
Mother Nature drops rain from the sky. It lands on unexpected melting objects and freezes into ice.
I heard a slow truck. That might be a Duke power truck.
Trees moan as their limbs begin to bend, bending, drooping, snapping. Explosions surround our home. Snap, crackle, pop, sounding like gunfire. Boom, flash. Boom, flash. Boom, flash. A transformer blows and power flickers before completely leaving us in darkness. The bombs of limbs falling continue to shatter from the added weight. More homes and businesses without power. The last bit of warmth from electricity fades away. You know this isn't bad.
I was thinking, there once was a man from Nantucket who said this winter weather can suck it.
Our propane-powered fireplace poofs as if by cue.
Yeah, I know why I hate poetry.
Hopefully the power will poof on as if by cue too. But with a huge limb across the power line, we are doubtful this will happen anytime soon.
Yeah, there's still like 4 or 5 trees dangling over the power lines, touching them.
And
Woohoo! That's my favorite part.
that was not bad.
It was poetry. That would be the equivalent of me telling you about ammo reloading.
I came up with that on the fly.
Or on
There
the...
was very little editing.
You
done.
sure it wasn't done on the throne?
No, I did it right here in my chair.
Look, it moves. And of all the things, it's supposed to start raining again today. At least it's not frozen this time, but must monitor the pumps. Yes, a basement in the South is kind of like a boat. It's not a thing of will water get into the bottom of the hold? Can I keep it pumped out? But I'm warm.
I'm a little chilly, but that's to be expected.
Yeah, I mean, you're the person who would go to hell and tell Satan to cut the heat up.
I did get a little toasty last night that I had to take off my second layer of pants.
When I did sleep, worried about the basement flooding again.
Yeah, I was so mad at that fireplace. I woke up freezing, so I got up and came and stood in front of it and it poofed. I'm like, really? Mother.
Okay. Tuning off until our next update. The current estimate is like midnight tonight. Power supposed to be back on. It remains to be seen. Today, it is 35, and the great melt has begun. Ice is falling from the trees. So finally, it's the ice falling from the limbs, not the limbs falling from the ice. Ah, glorious, glorious.